and follow me for more places. Okay, Arizona, there's a brand new Japanese steakhouse that just opened in Scottsdale, and it's pretty fire. Welcome to Arizona Places!
Hey, yo, check this out, y'all. Tell me why I just popped up into this headset, and I just realized the craziest thing is going on. So I walking into this environment, and full transparency, with the headset on in real life, man, I walked into the bathroom, and then I look over to the wall, and then I see this. Bro, this whole wall is Instagram, bro. This little widget on the wall, it's Instagram stories. And I'm like, yo. I literally just noticed that they added this, man. This is the home environment in the MetaQuest. And I literally just got Instagram stories floating on my wall. And I could just interact with them, send them to people, like them. And not even just that. You know what I mean? We have the full 3D effects. All of these are not just regular photos, they're spatial photos and videos. And this wasn't always the case, even for videos. Like, if you go into the Instagram on the headset, even the videos will be 2D. But for wherever you're watching this, like on a computer or on the smartphone, you're not going to be able to see it the way you would see it through a headset. But even video right here is coming in 3D. Like, everything's here being represented, like full depth effects. Even this little meme photo right here, all these little things are all coming at you, like, naturally too. It looks like it's just a real 3D photo or a 3D image. Man, the spatial images have been such a cool thing. Even this thing right here, man, like, this is such a cool little life. It caught me off guard coming in here, I gotta say. I ain't gonna lie. So shout out to Meta with this whole thing they cooked up, because I wasn't expecting to come in to the MetaQuest home environment and see this. I mean, look at how peaceful and chill this is, man. I'm really just chilling, and I can catch the Instagrams and stuff caught up casually. I'm literally passively just doing this, looking in here. I'm seeing all this stuff from Instagram popping up. I'm like, man, I just put this thing on, and I just realized that this is now in a home environment. This is actually pretty cool. So, yeah. Like, you guys got to try this, man. Put the headset on if you got one and see what this is all about, because they might be onto something with this. This is kind of cool. Like, some simple, casual Instagram browsing that you don't even got to, like, really get yourself too lost in on a phone. You can take the headset off and be back to your day, like I'm about to be. But what do you guys think? Those of you who have tried this, who might have this, what are your thoughts? What do you think of this whole new add features and little aspects of applications to your home environment on? Like, this is kind of cool. So yeah, I'm curious for those of you who have tried it. What do you guys think about this thing?